How to find the Ulta Beauty coupons on the coupon space. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to find it up. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can go ahead and head over the Ulta Beauty website or directly head over the official coupon page, which is Ulta Coupons. So go ahead and search for Ulta Coupons and hit enter, and here we'll be finding this link. We can click on it and that should redirect us to Ulta Beauty website itself. And here, once we are here, we can just go over and look out for this section right here. We can directly look out for this coupon section. We can open it up and here we'll be finding today's coupon. For example, 10% off on qualifying purchase when we sign up for text alerts and exclusion apply. So we can use this option right here and go ahead and sign up. And once we are signed up here, basically it will show us all the currently available deals that we can look out for and go ahead and apply for it. It's updated regularly, so we can directly apply for it. Each of the coupon usually includes a discount for 10% off or 50% off or 20% off in coupon code for online use only. It has valid dates and exclusion brands products not included. After that, we can just go and copy the code, and while we are checking out, we can use those codes, and that way we can apply the discount in our Ulta Beauty website very directly. And the coupons change very frequently, so we need to check very often. Some require you to sign in into a rewards account, and many coupons do not apply to luxury brands or sell items. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.